And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel, and we back with another banger, guys. I got some great news today, man. I just shot for the stars, man. So let's get into it. Here it is. So yeah, man, I started this Top Step account last Thursday on April 17th. So what had happened was I was trading my funded futures eval account that I was trying to pass. So this made me hot, and I was mad, and I was pissed, man. So I had the my funded futures eval account at $52,200. Only needed $800 more, man. So I had took a trade on NASDAQ. I think it was on a 5-minute time frame. It was a breakout, man. I had drew a trend line and it broke out of the trend line. So I took a buy, and then the market came and barely stopped me out by this much, and then it took off to my take profit. I said, ooh, I hate that, man. Just by like, it just did like, it just barely hit it and then took off, man. I said, I'm so sick of this. And I got mad and kept trading. Took like 3 or 4 more trades. And I ended up not only I only needed $800 to pass, but after I kept trading, I hit the soft breach. My funded futures has a soft breach, so you don't blow your account in one day. I ended up losing $1,300. So yeah, that account is not looking too good right now. I had about $1,000 more until the account is blown. I'm like at 500. I just put that account on hold right now, man. That account was given to me by Vince. Sorry, Vince, man. I was almost there, but I just been finding good setups ever since that day, man. I've been finding good setups. Those setups just haven't been going my way, man. And I have like $400 of drawdown left, so it's on his last leg again. But the good news is I started, well, I don't know whether it's good news or not, but on April 17th, when that happened, I had an extra $50 in my account. Just extra money that I was either going to use to buy something stupid or buy snacks or something dumb, man. Or go to Walmart and just blow it off with something, knowing me. But I was like, you know what? I got $50 extra. What prop firm can I use to buy me an account? I want an account now. I want it, and I need it now. I was hot about that trade on my funded futures, man. So I ended up thinking about Apex, but I was like, nope, I don't feel like dealing with no trailing drawdown. Anybody else? Apex want me to come. Anybody else offering? Because I don't want them. So I was like, you know what other account can I buy for $50? I said Top Step has a 50K account for $49, but the freaking activation fee is $149. I said, I hate that, man. Top Step is hot. And they're getting to where they're changing all their rules, but that's the only one right now that I can afford for $50. Up, your sign, come on. So I ended up waiting about 15 to 20 minutes, and I saw a setup because I wasn't going to trade that account the same day. I'm like, man, I'm on a losing streak, man. I'm done. I ended up finding a good setup, and I said, you know what? I don't care. I'm feeling it today. We're just going to go full Donkey Kong. We're gonna go ham with a slice of cheese and 2 pieces of bread. We finna get it, man. I said I'm going in with 2 minis off this. Saw another good setup, y'all, on a 5-minute time frame on NASDAQ, man. And I was trading NASDAQ, not micro NASDAQ. I was trading NASDAQ with 2 minis. I don't know why I did that. Probably because I just didn't give a crap, man, because of that trade earlier. So I ended up I seen it was coming. I drew a trend line and it was getting ready to come out of the trend line. So I saw the setup and I pressed buy for 2 minis. I set it for $1,500 because you can't pass a Top Step account in one day. You have to get 50% and then 50% of the time, however you trade, or it takes time or whatever. I was looking to get half right off bat. I wanted $1,500 right off bat, man. Give me half. And I immediately shut the phone and I closed the phone up. And I didn't even check until about an hour later. I did not care. Guys, I opened up the phone. I said, I was checking my phone and stuff, checking stuff, emails and stuff. I said, oh, I forgot that I punched the trade on Top Step. Let's see where it's at. I bet I lost. So I opened up the phone and surprisingly, it didn't move or do nothing because after, you've been on the app and then you open the app up again, it's frozen. So it has to update, due to inactivity or whatever. It showed that I made $1,499. I said, ooh, okay, halfway. But I'm going to show you guys, we're going to look up my other phone, man, and we're going to go through the process and what I was thinking and why I took the trade. So let's switch. Alright guys, so we're now on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition phone. So if you've noticed, we're on NASDAQ, as you guys can see NQ up there. So the bigger picture is we're in the market is in sales, man. So all the way back from March, I'll say about right here. Where is this at? This is February. So since about end of February, we've been in a downtrend. So I noticed we just keep going down. We keep making lower lows, man. But I noticed right here in this area over here, we're not creating any more lower lows. So I'm thinking that the market has a change of character now and we're in buys. If you notice, look right here. The market right here, and then the market right there, market right there, market right there. We're really not creating any more lower lows than this low area right here. So I'm taking buys. I'm really seeing anything. If I see a setup in a buy or a sell position, I'm taking it. But my I guess we want to say my analysis is buys right now. So if we go to the 5-minute time frame, just wanted to throw that out there. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame, show you today's trade. Now another demand setup that I saw was all the way down here. I didn't think that if I get a wick rejection in the area that I took the trade today, if I get a wick rejection in that area, it's going to continue up. If I don't, and the market doesn't wick my area and it just shoots straight past this blue line right here, then the market is potentially going to come down here to this demand setup. So I was paying attention to that. I'm like, if I don't get a wick, it's going to come down here. If I get a wick, it's going to continue going up and break out of that trend line. So what I did was I set that blue line right there and I said, you know what, if the market comes to my area and wick it just like it did, guys, it wicked the mess out of it, man. It wicked it perfectly. That red candle, now you see this blue line right here, and then you see that red candle right there that wicked this whole blue line. That's what I call a good demand setup. It wicked my area like I wanted to, and it finished above my demand zone. Now another thing that I drew out, I said, okay, I got a wick, but the market has to come out of this trend line for me to take this trade. If it don't, then, you know what I'm saying, I'm not going to do it. You see what happened? I got in at that wick, and then after I got in on that red candle of the wick, it came down, and I'm like, man, I don't know, man. This joker almost stopped me out, y'all, but then it took right back off. So I was banking on, you know what I'm saying, this 25-point stop loss to keep me in there, and it did. As soon as I got that that candle wick and it played around for a little bit, then it went up to that trend line, and then it came back down, then it went up, then it came back down, and then it finally took off. I said, Lord have mercy, man. That I said, I'm in this trade. I ain't getting out of it. It went down to almost like $450, y'all. And then the market just took right back off. I was almost stopped out. This almost didn't work, but I said, I'm in it to win it. And as you guys can see, that trade played out beautifully. I aimed for a 3-to-1, well, 3-to-7 to cover fees and taxes and all that stuff. Cause had I just aimed straight for $1,500, it would have made me short and I wouldn't have passed the account. So I aimed for like what, $1,500, and I aimed for $1,520 to $25. And now, and as you guys can see, drum roll please, boom, we passed the account, baby. $53,011.60. Yes, sir. So last week we had $1,500 on a Thursday, and today on the 23rd we got $17.20. Account passed. Yes, sir. See, yeah, man, that was a really good trade, man. I was looking just to get this over with, man, because me and 50K accounts haven't been getting along. I think from now on, and I told Stephanie and Connor this, I don't want to trade 50K accounts no more. It seemed like it's hard for me to pass 50K accounts again now. My trading has completely changed, man. I take my time, but I'm aggressive. It's like I win some, lose some, win some, lose some, man. Unless I put like heavy, I don't know, unless I risk more, it's hard for me to get that $3,000 for some odd reason. I've been back testing off camera, behind the scenes, behind the curtain, and I'm hitting $1,500 like nothing, man. But it's so hard for me to hit $3,000. So I was like, this is why I don't want to fool with any more evals no more, because it's hard for me to pass these evals in a month when it comes to 50K or above. But when it comes to half of that, if I'm trading with a 25K account and I only have to make a profit target of $1,500, I'm hitting them like that, man, when I'm back testing. It's like, all right, so I've narrowed it down. This is my last 50K eval account. Now, if I can't get a payout with this, boy, you need help. So we got to take our time, just continue what we're doing, man. But if I ever get any more evals or straight to funded accounts, it will be straight to funded. It'll probably be Traderfied. And if I do any more eval accounts, it will have to be a Take Profit Trader 25K account where I can get payouts daily. I will be doing that trailing drawdown, but I felt like I was doing good. I just need to learn to take my profits, man. And then it's half of 3,000, and I'm hitting these 1,500s on my back testing, man, easily. So yeah, that's a done deal. 25K Take Profit Trader or straight to funded from now on. I'm not doing any more 50K accounts or 150K account, 250K account, 300,000 account. No, we're not doing that no more. I'm sticking with 25K account and straight to funded now. So that's what we got going on, man. We got a past account, guys, man. So appreciate it, man. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. That's it, man. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos. And bang! Corey, the phone trader got coming out, man. Peace, blessings. I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. And you know, at the end of every video, you know the motto. In 3, 2, 1. Everybody say it with me if you haven't already. Guess what, y'all? I holla. Peace out, baby. Deuces.